Is it possible not to get heat damage while using two straighteners at once? Let's test it. Hey guys, in this video I'll be showing you how I do my silk press at home using a steam straightener and a regular straightener without getting heat damage. But before we get started, be sure you hit the subscribe button and make sure you follow me over on TikTok and Instagram at Kalia Sharron. That's KALEASHARRON. Now, let's get started. Alright guys, as you can see, I am starting off with freshly washed hair. I did use Pattern Beauty shampoo and heavy conditioner to wash my hair, and I also used a deep conditioning mask by Silk Elements as well. And I also set under my hair steamer for about 30 minutes because that's something I do every week to make sure my hair gets as much moisture as it needs because my hair is pretty dry. And as you can see here, I am combing out my hair, getting ready to blow dry it. I always start from bottom and work my way up. I never start from the top or the middle. Always work your way from the bottom and up. And look at those curls, so cute. Next up is the Pattern leave-in conditioner. I use this and I also use the Maui Moisture leave-in conditioner. I go in between these. It just depends. The Maui Moisture is more lighter, which I prefer to use when I'm straightening my hair because it's not a heavy product. However, I did use the Pattern Beauty leave-in conditioner because it's just what I reach for these days. But I do use the Maui Moisture around my edges and elsewhere. Next up is the Hollywood Beauty Argan Oil. This is really good stuff. I only use a little bit. Again, this is a heavy product too, but only a little bit. I lightly tap it around the top of my head and then rake it through my hair. And here I've just brushed through my hair and I'm getting ready to section my hair off to start the blow drying process. Now here I'm using my Hot Tools blow dryer and I'm using a round brush and my Denman brush to get this process going with blowing out my hair. And be sure, guys, to check out my podcast, Let's Put It on the Table, for all things that people do not like to talk about or afraid to talk about. It's available wherever you get your podcast. And as you can see here, I could stop going here. I don't even have to straighten my hair. My hair is straight enough, but we're going to keep going. Now I'm going to spray some more heat protectant in my hair. This is a Tresemme Thermal Creations. I use this before I blow my hair out, and I use this after and before I straighten. And here's my on steam straightener. Love this thing, had it for years. I use it at 450, and take a listen at this. Oh yeah, that's that steam, baby. And yes, it's safe for your hair. I love this tool. I've been using it forever. And let me add too, I don't really use the chase method when I'm using the steam straightener because, as you can see, it has teeth in between its paddles or whatever you want to call that. So it's really no need to use a comb. Sometimes I will, sometimes I won't. And as you can see here, I did grab my regular straightener just to hit my roots because it is kind of hard to hit your roots with the steam straightener. Also, if you use the steam straightener, let me know in the comments down below. But when I use the steam straightener, I do like to do bigger sections because it works more effectively. And I also have used the steam straightener when my hair has been wet, so it works well. And look at that, hair looks so good. Also, guys, be sure to check out skinnylicks.com for all your skincare needs. We have lip oil, we have body butter, body oil, body scrub. We have gift sets for the holidays. So be sure to check that out at skinnylicks.com. Also, I want to add, when I get closer to the top or the front of my hair, I do go in with full passes with my regular straightener just to make sure my hair is pretty straight. But I don't pass through too many times, just enough to where it looks straight, because once I wrap my hair, that's gonna also help it out to become more flat. And this is what we're working with The hair is looking good. It feels good as well. My hair is pretty long. If you noticed, my hair was to the middle of my back just in December, and here we are October and it's down to the top of my butt. So it's very long. Well, that's all I have for this video. Be sure to follow me over on Instagram and TikTok at Kalia Sharron. That's KALEASHARRON. And be sure to check my website out, kaliasharron.com. Also, check out my podcast, Let's Put It on the Table. That's available on iTunes and Spotify and also Google Play. And for the products used in this video, be sure to check out the description box down below. Until next time, I'm Kalia Sharron. Bye.